Welcome back. For the first time in Goa, Goa Timeline Group has organized an Eduke Expo. This expo provides students with career opportunities. Around 27 institutions have participated in this event, with 3 banks to provide educational loan to students for further studies. The expo will culminate on Sunday at Kala Academy.
I am also very much aware that students from Goa seek admission in different important educational institutions in the neighbouring states, and therefore this career guidance opportunity at this stage would be very useful to them to enable them to choose the best institution to join.
This expo is there for today and tomorrow, that is Saturday and Sunday. Entry to this expo is absolutely free, and this expo will be there from 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. in the night. So both the days we expect and request the Goan students and parents to make best use of this opportunity.
The annual boxing competition organized by Panjim Boxing Club is proving to be a fine platform for the beginners in particular. Pandarinath Shirodkar Memorial Championship is now in its 8th year and thus the longest running boxing event organized by a club. In other words, host PBC is playing an important role in keeping boxing alive in the state. President of Panjim Boxing Club, Clyde Lobo, says looking for sponsorship is the basic challenge.
In fact, Panjim Boxing Club is only one of the fewest clubs which organize this tournament regularly, and now we are in the 8th edition. There are a lot of hardships faced because in the wise of sponsors and all to get into organize this tournament. So every year we try and have it in different parts of Panjim. Sometimes maybe outside near the swimming pool, Don Bosco's. So we are back in Indoor Stadium this year. Since it's always organized in May, being a holiday time, it's difficult because many people go for vacations. But still we get entries. This year we've got an entry of almost 134 boxers participating in the tournament. Yeah, these boxers are regular for classes, but it'll take time to get adjusted to the skill and technique of boxing. So initially, most of them are underweight, but gradually they pick up the sport, and then in few years they will groom up to be good boxers.
Asian Games and Commonwealth Games coming up. I believe Santosh Harijan is at the camp trying to get selected for the Commonwealth Games.
Yeah, Santosh has a quite good prospect in the camp. There is a final selection end of the month. Hopefully he gets through and it will be a big achievement for Goa.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.